MissGel, established in 2011, is a leading UV nail gel supplies company. We integrate research, design, production, sales, and after-sales service. Our influence and export volume make us a top supplier for many renowned nail gel companies worldwide. MissGel's factory, located in Heyuan City, Guangdong Province, covers over 12,000 square meters and has a total usable area of 30,000 square meters. We focus on intelligent digitalization, introducing international management systems and advanced information systems to enhance automation and quality control. Our R&D center, staffed by dozens of industry experts, constantly innovates to lead market trends. From precise raw material weighing to strict ingredient mixing, 550 professional technicians strictly follow GMP standards in our dust-free production environment, ensuring quality at every step. We prioritize efficiency with advanced equipment, 45 high-capacity intelligent mixing systems with a daily production capacity of 40.8 tons, automated conveyor systems to strictly prevent contamination, 101 efficient filling machines capable of filling 650,000 bottles daily, 16 intelligent labeling machines with a daily capacity of 550,000 bottles, 6 automatic packaging lines ensure quick and safe product delivery to market. A smart traceability system monitors every production stage, adhering to industry standards for quality and safety. Modern warehousing with electronic management enables 48-hour shipping and 15-day delivery from large orders. Our factory has GMP certification, meeting FDA and ISO 22716 standards. Products pass EU tests like Intertech, SGS, MSDS, CBSR, and strict Chinese requirements, ensuring top global quality. The multilingual international sales team provides a global one-stop service. Experienced order team handles 10,000 items annually with 99.9% on-time delivery. Designers create 500 new packaging designs each year. We work with over 1,000 global partners to ensure good prices and quality. Our team checks every step from raw materials to finished products. MissGel cares for its staff, offering a good workplace, cafeteria, gym, dorms, and benefits. Special perks include extra family time off, yearly trips, rewards for all, and growth funds. The company also helps with poverty relief and environmental projects. Currently, we ship 300 tons monthly, with an annual shipment of 4,000 tons. We cover over 90% of China's regions and export to more than 100 countries, serving over 3,000 brand clients. Looking ahead, MissGel will focus on innovation, quality, and service. We'll improve our technology, products, and global reach. We aim to grow the nail industry with our partners and build a bright future in beauty.